Don't mind how I look right now, y'all. Don't mind how I look right now. I'm currently on my way to get my hair done. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve, and I decided that I wanted to go into the New Year's with like a different look. So today I will be cutting my hair. Guys. I feel like the beginning of every year I cut my hair, but now like today, like I want to go like not real short, but I want to go like bob length. And when I say bob length, I mean like not shoulder length, probably like a little shorter than shoulder length. But today I will be cutting my hair, guys. I'm actually so excited. The last time I actually like cut my hair was in January, and it wasn't consented. Like I go back a few videos, I think I did like a silk press from this black owned hair salon, and they effed up my hair. Like the way she cut my hair was horrible. She cut it in layers. I didn't ask for her to cut it in layers. Today I'm actually like, you know, deciding to cut my hair. My hair right now is probably like right here, but we're going right here. I'm excited, y'all. I just want to go into the new year with a new look, and I do believe that hair carries energy, so I don't be having like bad energy on me at all, but I do want to let go of certain emotions, and I feel like those certain emotions come with my hair. So yeah, today we'll be cutting my hair. I'm about to go get a washing set now from my lady, and then I might make my mom cut my hair, or I might make the lady that's doing my washing set cut my hair. The last time my mom cut my hair a few years ago, I loved it, so I was like, I might just go back to my mom. But then like I don't know, but y'all gotta come with me to get my hair done, and we're gonna get these eyebrows done because I haven't got my eyebrows done in months. I don't think I got my eyebrows done since my birthday. It's been like a good 3 months. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to the hair salon. Bye. So I just left the hair salon, guys. Right now I'm on my way to my mom's hair salon, and she's gonna cut my hair. The lady that did my hair, I love her. She's amazing. It was like she done seen my hair at its lowest. She done seen my hair when it was falling out. She done seen my edges gone. She done seen so much. Like, she knows that I have a love and hate relationship with my hair, and she was like, your hair is getting long, girl. And I was like, really? Wow, because I'm literally about to cut it. I could say my hair is growing. My hair is growing, but we're cutting it. I already made my final decision. And now that she said that, I'm like, do I really want to do that? But I do, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, this looks so good.
Oh, you getting from this one?
Yeah. We're good, right?
Look at this.
Look at her. Huh. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. Huh. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Look at her. Huh. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. Huh. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah.
What the people are getting
No. This is good.
Police are the people. Yeah, that's the man.
That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on that
Right here.
with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah.
This is my hair. Oh my god. Wow. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I actually feel like I could have went shorter, but honestly this is gonna do for now. I'm dragging it, but yeah, I actually love my hair and I'm excited for this new start. I feel like cutting your hair in the beginning of the year is essential because it just makes you feel like, you know, you're getting that brand new start that you deserve. But yeah, let's go ask my friend if she likes my hair. She don't like me on camera, but I don't know, she just did her makeup and she gotta go out. She look cute, so hopefully she don't mind being on camera. Aisha, do you like my hair? Oh, I should have started the video here. Do you like my hair? I love it. Oh, you look cute. The makeup is makeuping and it's giving. But do you like it?
I mean, I wish she would have left it alone, but she's gonna cut it every year. Niggas excited.
Not yet. The January is just like, I feel like you should cut your hair at least once a year. Because I haven't cut my hair since last year January, just so that I could grow back even healthier. Because even though I had length on my hair was still like unhealthy. It was thin and shit, so hopefully it could grow back.
I was about to say something funny, but I would.
What you was about to say, girl? Say it. I want to know what you was about to say, ho.
It had nothing to do with us.
Oh. But yeah, so we got our opinion. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know how y'all feel about my hair. I feel like Zora. What's your name, B.O.B., so they call you Bob?
Okay.
Bye, God.